Good afternoon, everyone. This is Cody with BasecampTrading.com. I just wanted to point out a chart I'm watching here in Baidu. It's on the weekly chart. We have taken out the previous pivot high up here at 149.51. And then this week, we broke about above it a few weeks ago. And then this week, we are actually getting above it. We actually have what's called a bullish inflection on momentum here. On our MQ Super Momentum Indicator, we have a reacceleration of momentum. If you look at it down here, we had one back in August, and the market rallied higher. So I'm anticipating that we keep moving up here. We need to get above the current high of this week, next week, above 154.29. If we can get above 154.29, I'm thinking we're going to keep moving higher. So keep an eye on Baidu. And if you want to check out our trading rooms, feel free to check us out. We have 3 rooms that run morning and all throughout till the close. So feel free to check us out. Thank you. Have a nice day.